So what you can also do is you can go ahead and let Kimi write proposals for you. So I'm just going to go around and say, write a proposal to a company regarding collaboration for a dance party event. We can make banners, tickets, and manage details for you. So I'm just going to go around and simply write it in plain English right here and say your proposal. So now you can see that this is what you have. So there's the proposal for collaboration on dance party event, and then you can see that this is what you have. So it says we are excited to present this proposal for collaboration, and then it simply goes ahead and gives all the details according to what I added in, as you can see right here, and it gives you placeholders for things that needs to be added as well, along with the prices and everything else right here. So this is how you can simply go ahead and write out proposals with the help of Kimi. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe